Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account that likely contains the backup. Once logged in, open the gear icon and choose See All Settings so you can access export and forwarding tools. Make sure IMAP or POP is enabled if you sync to a client, and check linked accounts to spot transfers. This initial check shows you where backups might have been created or forwarded, and it prevents needless downloads, so you know whether to search within Gmail, use Google Takeout, or inspect a mail client. Now you dig in. Use Gmail's advanced search operators like from, has, attachment, file name, and label to locate archived or backup messages quickly. Once done, inspect filters and blocked addresses to find rules that may have auto-forwarded or archived messages to another account. That often hides backups. If you still can't find originals, run Google Takeout for mail to export an mbox. Make sure to select all mail and the correct date range so you don't miss older backups stored in Drive or downloaded earlier. To finish, import any found mbox into a mail client like Thunderbird or follow Takeout Restore steps to return messages to Gmail. You should also search Google Drive, your local downloads folder, and any connected mail clients for archived files. If things go wrong, verify you're in the correct Google account, rerun Takeout for a full export, and check trash and spam folders. Finally, review your account activity for unexpected logins that might explain missing backups. This troubleshooting step resolves most elusive cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.